Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video, and in this short tutorial video I'll be showing you how you can deposit money in the Okx wallet. It's pretty easy to get this done. Make sure your wallet has been backed up, as that is a requirement for deposits to be enabled. So your wallet is backed up. How can you receive money or how can you deposit? Click on the receive icon you see here. Once you've clicked on receive, you're met with a list of crypto coins where you can simply select any of which you would like to deposit. As we know, OKX supports over 70 networks, and most of them being testnets and mainnets. You could easily find what you're looking for. So let's say we would like to deposit some Bitcoin or USDC or Ethereum. If you click on Bitcoin, you could select any of the shown networks like the Taproot, Legacy Network, Native Segwit, and the rest. By clicking on this network, you're shown your QR code as well as the code, and all you need to do is either share the code or scan the code, and you'd receive your Bitcoin. The same goes for the USDT and its multiple networks. As you can see, these are all the networks supported on OKX, and by clicking any of them, you can receive your tokens. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can deposit on OKX wallet, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.